Some mornings, you don't need a plan. You just need the right boat and open water in front of you. The Sanlorenzo SX100 was built for exactly that, out of La Spezia since 1958. The SX line is Sanlorenzo's outdoor first answer. 3 full deck levels, all of them designed to get you closer to the water. 4 pod drives make this hull go. You're at 20 knots with room to push further, and you've got range enough for a full day offshore without a second thought. The IPS system tracks clean, no drama, just distance. Drop anchor, and the side platforms open outward. The stern unfolds into a full beach club. Flybridge runs the full length up top. 3 outdoor levels. Pick one. The side platforms literally extend your waterline when you're at anchor. Step off the hull, not off the stern. Flybridge catches the afternoon breeze while the main deck handles the social hour. The beach club stern makes tender deployment easy. 3 separate outdoor zones. 8 guests who all want to be somewhere different. 4 staterooms below, plenty of crew space. But that's base camp, not the reason you're here. The SX100 is about the morning run before anyone else is offshore, the afternoon anchor in a cove, the evening back at speed with the sun behind you. This boat makes the whole day the destination. For full specifications and comparison data, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.